I just managed to test a little O1 preview, and oh my god, that's fucking something. Like, I spent around 12 to 18 hours building this Codex Gigantus, that is basically a Go library that allows you to have different flags. Like, it solves the problem. Like, I have a code base of 1 megabyte or 10 megabytes, and how do I cram all of this to 100 kilobytes that the LLM can understand? And I made it work somehow. There are some bugs. I kind of stopped working on it, and now I just basically copy pasted the readme. Like, basically the readme, it was already like with the old GPT was like, hey, create the readme and explain the different flags that exist, and also like some of the things that I want functional style to be have some utilities. And it started doing it, and in 28 seconds it was, I don't consider thinking, it was like processing LLM to LLM inside. And then it provided all of the code, which from what I like is like much less than what I had, but from what I've seen currently it works like really fucking good. Like, I tested it here, like for example these are the whole flags. Like, okay, give me debugging and show me like what are you excluding, what are you including. And then I'm using this flag for like show me just the function. I don't want to get the implementation. So this is like 10 kilobytes, so you have a long code base. I can kind of give it this. If I remove this, then it's gonna give me all of the functions with the implementation details for all of them. And that's batshit crazy that it works like with ignore div. And this was a bug because it was ignoring one div but it couldn't ignore the other one. Like, in this iteration it works fucking great with all of it. So maybe it's a local optima that it found, and earlier I don't know, I was getting in some darker places that couldn't handle, but this was spot on. Like, currently I didn't tested all of the different features that it can do, but the ones that I need, like I need to ignore directories, ignore extension, ignore files, specific files. This is my go-to strategy of cramming a bigger code base into a smaller one, and it did it perfectly in the first go.